Hello YouTube, I'd like to introduce you to my girlfriend. We are still in the honeymoon phase and I do not fear that will ever change. She is a legal immigrant from the land of the rising sun, but she was consummated in America. Being a 2005, she is of legal age and her name is Shinakani. If you happen to be Japanese, I sincerely apologize for the pronunciation. There is nothing out of the ordinary from the exterior, but if you look closer, two 100-watt panels fit perfectly on the side rails and the cross bars. But nobody ever realizes there are solar panels up top. Coming in on the inside, I have the option of sitting in the captain's seat up front or the seat in the back. I might as well answer this now because some of y'all will be fighting for your lives in the comment section. I did flip the seat around. Now I'm not recommending this, I'm just sharing what I did. All it is 4 bolts and 1 pin connector for the airbag. To prevent the seat becoming a projectile in the event of a crash, I did strap it to the other seat, which is bolted down. Quickly, the goal for this build was to be ultra modular, to retain 5 seats and also be very comfortable with all the amenities for camping. No camper van is complete without a bed, and this is my no build of the bed platform. All this is plastic shelving that I got for free off Craigslist, and they are collapsible in case you need to move things around. In case you're a runner or a track star in your dreams, you can zip tie these shelves together to provide more support, and you can always snip them when it comes time to break down your bed, and they are cheap enough to replace. Staying with the modular theme, my bed mattress is a quad fold that I got from IKEA. It folds up just like this. It is 4 inches and firm. I am a side sleeper and I don't wake up with hip pain like an old man. Quickly for my sink, all this is a plastic $5 bin with a stainless steel dog bowl and a water dispenser that flips up conveniently. I didn't want to deal with gray waters, so I kept it intact. Underneath is 7 gallons of fresh water plumbed right in. In case you're wondering, yes, Pikachu and I do go belly to belly when it comes time to sleep. Now let's talk about everybody's favorite topic, the bathroom situation. For numero uno, these look the same, but I assure you they are different. Need I say more? And of course for numero dos, I have a collapsible toilet. All you gotta do is pull. Now it's a stable platform, I think can hold 500 pounds. Let me show you the proper procedure for handling a numero dos. Put your bag in. An 8-gallon bag works perfect. Drop the top on. Handle your scandal. And immediately dispose of it. I've had a cassette toilet and just hauling around human waste was not an idea I was accustomed to. I much prefer to handle my business and get rid of it immediately. Back here I keep all my tools on me. A heater just in case. My kick around sandals and my dancing shoes. Now for the star of the show. This little box prevents me from getting cranky or hangry. It is called the ICECO Go 20. What makes it special is it has dual zones and it's independently controlled. As you can see here, I like to keep my meats separate from my veggies, and we're gonna make some fajitas. Sunset is on the way, so let's get some privacy and put our window shades up. This table folds up nicely. So I accidentally forgot to eat. Inadvertent intermittent fasting. I tend to notice that I am the most productive in the morning to early afternoon. It is almost 5 p.m., so let's feast. To make fajitas, we have all of the usual suspects here. Let's get the salsa going. Okay, let's eat. And because I am lucky enough to have a refrigerator in here, I get to have leftovers, which saves me money. It's about 9 o'clock, and this is usually the time where I get some emails done and some video editing. Just below the bed here is a battery bank. This is the Anker Solex C800 Plus. It's yet to be released, so I can't tell you too much, but I will be doing a full review. Pikachu is reminding me it's time to go belly to belly and time for bed. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, catch you later. Peace.